Alright, y'all, so we got this package. I could already see something is broken, so I'm gonna get them out of here, get them cleaned up, and we are going to do what we do. So got them all cleaned up. We're working with 18 polishes. There was supposed to be this rubber base coat, matte top coat, rubber top coat, and this clear top coat, and there was supposed to be a base coat. But let's go ahead and get into these swatches. We have number 1, beautiful pink with some great holographic glitters in them. I can't wait till you see these. So normally we're going to do the same thing we normally do. We're going to see the first coat, then we are going to see the second coat, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the top coat. This is the second coat. And then of course with the top coat. So forgive me if you hear dogs barking, wind chimes blowing. Sitting outside, it is so beautiful. You're probably going to hear kids screaming and such. Moving on to number 2, we have this brown holographic glitter. This is just gorgeous. I can imagine what it would look like in fall, especially after this second coat. I think that's a great color for fall, especially for like an accent nail or something. And of course with the top coat, they shine so pretty. So yep, we're just going to continue doing it like this. We're going to move on to number 3. I'm going to show you the first coat, the top coat, or the second coat, and then the top coat. So I hope y'all enjoy. And this one I too also really love. I think it's a good summer color too, especially like beach. You could do like a beach scene with this, float that over the sand where the water meets. I think that would look great. I'm gonna try that. I'm just in love with this color. I'm sorry I made it look so long. So some of these are actually quite similar. This did come in a pack of 18, and then I also got the top coats and base coats in a different bundle. But this one came with 18 colors. There are some similar colors, you know. Not all of them are this holographic. It's called their Highlight collection from MIZHSE. I'll try and put that in the title and the description for you guys. But yeah, it's some of these colors are very, very similar. Some of them don't have the holographic, like I said, but they are still really pretty shimmers. I really love the gold shimmer in them. I don't know that you would necessarily need to buy all of them, but like I say, it came in a pack. I think this one was my least favorite just because the holographic glitter, it's not as translucent as the other ones, and so the holographic glitter doesn't really shine through the way I'd like it to. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing, but I come back into focus here soon. There we go. And like I say, it was just so thick as far as, you know, not the consistency, but more the color was just not as translucent as I wish it had been, but it's still a pretty color. And I think here we're actually going to start getting into some of the excuse me, some of the shimmers Let's just X that out and pretend I didn't do that. I am not going to redo this voiceover or even remove that last bit. But here we go with another one, another holographic one. And it does look similar to some of the other colors, but it's crazy. Once you put them together, you really see the difference then, you know. Slight differences. And I actually do like that because sometimes, you know, one shade is just right for the design you need. So I am actually, for my next video, which will be Friday, I'm only going to post twice a week from now on, you guys. I'm only going to do Monday videos and Friday videos. Life is getting quite busy, so of course, look at with that top coat. So velvety and gorgeous. And now we're actually moving into the shimmer, some of the shimmers. And you can kind of see here, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. I actually put this color over some tan colors that I had, just a real sheer coat to give it a cool effect, and it actually looked really nice. So that's what the first coat looks like. Kind of peachy, off-white, milky, very nice. And the second coat. And then, of course, the top coat. I think top coats just make everything look beautiful, more beautiful. So I'm actually going to cut out here, just let you guys finish the rest of the swatches, and I'll talk to you guys in the end. All right, so this is what we look like. You can see there are a couple similar colors. I do think they are all gorgeous. I do understand why they call it the highlighter collection, but yeah, they all turned out very beautiful. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups here in a minute. I know my videos have been coming so quick lately, but of course life has gotten a bit hectic, so we're just going to go ahead and move on to Mondays and Fridays for our next uploads. I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. The link will be in the description. I would really appreciate it if you guys would take the opportunity to subscribe. More content, more better content is coming soon. Of course, more nail hauls and all of that fun stuff. But again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video.